Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make page at Facebook app. First open your Facebook app. If you use Android device, at the top right corner click on three lines. If you use iPhone iOS device, at the bottom right corner click on three lines. From now any steps as for Android as for iOS iPhone device are the same. We should a little bit scroll down and click on pages. Next step, at the top left click on create. Next step, click on get started. What categories best describe your page you want to create? For example, personal blog. And click on next. Enter name for your page, for example test, and click on done. At the bottom click on next. If you have any website you can enter here. For now I can click on I don't have any website and click on next. You can add a cover photo and add a profile picture and click on done. As you can see, I create my pages. If you wanted to find where is your pages, just click on settings. If you use an Android device, at the top right corner. If you use iPhone iOS device, click on the bottom right corner, three lines, click on pages, and here you can find your created page in Facebook. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.